My lawnmowers. This one is a Toro, older model. It's a GTS 2 550. Yep. Old thing. This thing's gonna cut many grasses. It's getting tired, but it's still running. It's got the choke on it. Unlike all my other ones, it's got the primer. Let's go ahead and start it for you. Make sure it's in choke. Gear shifter's screwed up, so I want to leave it in 3 all the time. This is gonna be a little hell. Shit. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let me just set this down for a minute, and I'll put it back up. Let me just start it. Can't leave this one running too much inside this garage. I got it cracked a little, but this thing, it's so old, it smokes. I don't know if you can see all the damn smoke, but ugh. Whew, can't breathe much of that. Okay, so let's put that back. Still works, but hell, don't need to die. Whew. See all that damn smoke? Shit. Go to this one. Just showed you guys this one while I was fixing it, but here we go. Start. This one is very nice. Top of the line blade override system, which is an amazing feature. It makes it so, unlike those two, you don't have to hold down this handle while you're starting it. You just make sure this thing is on, pull the cord. Pretty nice feature, I like it a lot. Air filter's out, because if you watch my other video, you'll see why. This old junky one next. It's got the primer. This one is just there. I don't know why we even have it. Works though. We don't throw away trash in this house. I tell you what. Alright, let me. Hell. Alright, let's start it. Yeah. Oh, that worked? Nope. Yeah. Kinda, I don't know. Okay, let's see. I gotta get this damn thing in. Okay. Ah, shit. Stuck in the fucking loop. Screw it, okay. Gotta prime this thing like 20 times for it to even start. It works. Killing it. It'll stay running, but I'm not even gonna bother with it. I could have keep priming it a few times. This thing is going back under there because I don't use it. Got enough lawnmowers down in here anyway. Lastly, my grandpa's he's storing it over here for the winter. Just go ahead and start it. This is a nice lawnmower. Just like my dad's, except this one does not have the blade override system. I thought I just started it, but I'll prime it a few more times. Very nice lawnmower. Just like my dad, except no blade override system. So yeah, that's my lawnmower collection, all Toro, all Brigg & Stratton. Favorite type, so it's all I'll probably ever use in my whole life is Toro. In fact, my snowblower is a Toro. My leaf blower is a Toro, but it's not here with me right now. It's in my van. But alright, thanks for watching. More videos like this to come on cars, bikes, vans, trucks, all that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.